Ever faced an ASR error on your standing desk and didn't know what to do? Standing desks are the new norm in workspaces worldwide, designed to bring relief from long, fatigue-inducing hours of sitting. These desks, whether manual or electric, are a favorite among hard workers as they allow the flexibility to switch positions, helping to avoid back pain, poor posture, and discomfort. But what happens when your standing desk hits a snag? Enter ASR, or Anti-Collapse Stability Range. This is a signal that your electric standing desk needs a reset. The desk's digital panel, which controls the height and displays errors, will flash the ASR error when it can't pinpoint the desk's position accurately. This intriguing error is more than just a random glitch. It's a built-in safety feature designed to prevent damage or malfunctions, especially when your desk is burdened with expensive equipment. Understanding ASR errors is crucial for maintaining the functionality of your standing desk. Now, onto the quick fix for the ASR error on your standing desk. First things first, we need to clear the area underneath your desk. So, if there are any boxes, books, or even your favorite pet lounging under there, it's time to move them out of the way. This is because any objects under your desk might interfere with the desk's ability to correctly detect its position, leading to the ASR error. Once you've cleared the area, let's move on to the control panel of your standing desk. Look for the down button. It's usually marked with a downward pointing arrow or the word down. Now you'll want to press and hold this button. Keep holding it down until you see RST displayed on the control panel. RST is short for reset, and it's your desk's way of telling you it's ready to start fresh. Now release the down button. It's like letting go of a breath you've been holding. With the button released, your desk should now be resetting, clearing the ASR error in the process. It's like rebooting your computer when it's acting up, only simpler. Alright, now that you've done all that, it's time for the moment of truth. Look at your control panel. Is the ASR error message still there? If it's gone, congratulations. You've successfully fixed the ASR error on your standing desk. But what if the message is still there? Well, that's a bit like baking a cake and it's still gooey in the middle. It's not quite there yet, but it's not a disaster. If the error doesn't clear, don't worry. There are other ways to troubleshoot. You might consider unplugging your desk for a while, giving it a chance to rest. Think of it as giving your desk a little vacation. Remember, your standing desk is more than just a piece of furniture. It's a tool, a partner in your workday, designed to help you avoid the fatigue of long hours in a chair. And like any good partner, sometimes it needs a little help to perform at its best. Ever wondered why ASR is important and what to do if the quick fix doesn't work? In the realm of technology, the importance of safety cannot be overstated. This is especially true when it comes to our standing desks, which often bear the weight of our precious equipment. Anti-Collapse Stability Range, or ASR, plays a crucial role in this context. ASR is a built-in safety feature of standing desks, ensuring they remain stable and safe. It's a signal that your standing desk needs a reset when it can't detect the desk's position correctly. Think of it as a guardian, constantly on the lookout for potential threats to your desk's stability and integrity. A good standing desk should have an ASR of at least 7.5 degrees. This feature ensures that your desk remains steady, even when you're shifting from sitting to standing, or adjusting the height to your liking. So, when you see an ASR error pop up, it's an indication that this guardian has detected something off-kilter and is calling for a reset to avoid potential damage or malfunction. But what if the quick fix doesn't work? What if pressing the down button until it shows RST doesn't clear the error message? Well, don't despair. There are still options for you to troubleshoot. One solution could be as simple as unplugging the desk for a while. This could give the desk's system a chance to reset itself, much like how rebooting a computer can often resolve minor glitches. After waiting for a bit, plug it back in and check if the ASR error has cleared. In this digital age, where a single glitch can disrupt our workflow, understanding and promptly addressing ASR errors is crucial. It not only keeps our desks functioning smoothly, but also ensures the longevity of these vital pieces of equipment. So the next time you see that ASR error, don't ignore it. Address it promptly and ensure the stability and longevity of your standing desk. Remember, understanding and fixing ASR errors promptly can prevent damage and ensure the longevity of your standing desk. So, to quickly recap on how to fix an ASR error on your standing desk, first, clear out everything underneath your desk. Next, press the down button on your control panel until it reads RST. Once you've done that, release the button and check if the error message has cleared. Each step is crucial to ensure a successful reset. With these steps, you can easily fix an ASR error and continue to enjoy the benefits of your standing desk.